Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on vanish mode on Instagram. So for you to be able to turn it on, open your Instagram app on your phone. Then from here you can go to your chat list, and actually vanish mode actually simply means way of you trying to make message disappear right immediately after it was seen or read by the receiver. So from here now I'm just going to tap on this option. So I'm just going to tap on the profile of the person, then I will tap on privacy and safety. Then right here there's an option for vanish mode. This is it, vanish mode. You can see same message will disappear when you close the chat, you can see. So once you tap on this option, it means when you send this particular message, which is albot, if I send him a message right now and after you send the message and you close the chat, the message will automatically disappear. So you can do this if you want another something more or less like a disappearing message. So you can turn this on, and that's it. Find this video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.